3Speak, the ultimate dApp walkthrough. Okay, welcome back to another video. My name's Ken. I'm really glad that you're here today. Today we're about to embark on a three-part series talking about 3Speak. And if you haven't heard of 3Speak before, basically it's a platform, it's a video platform that is designed for people who have been demonetized, who have been censored from other platforms, and they need a place to go. They need a place for their voice to be heard. And there's also a lot of talk on here about technology, about cryptocurrency, about blockchain, that people just really need to hear about. So first of all, I'm really thankful for the ability to be able to post on 3Speak and to use it and to gain value from actually using this platform. I really enjoy it. And so this three-part series is going to walk you through exactly how to use 3Speak, how to get signed up for it. It's going to show you the ins and outs of the website, and it's also going to show you how to upload content and engage with other users. So I'm really excited to bring this to you, and today is the first installment. This is part one. And in this section right here, I'm gonna be talking about how to get signed up for 3Speak. Now, I'm gonna show you a screen share in a little bit, but I wanna say one thing. If you're watching this video right now and there's still an application process, that means that you have to fill out a Google Doc that basically tells more about who you are and what either your brand is about or your personal name is about. We need to know, the 3Speak team needs to know who you are, make sure you're an authentic person, and that way we can protect the video platform and keep it operating at its fullest potential. So there may or may not be an application process at the time that you're watching this video, but if there is, I'm going to be doing a screen share of that. If there is not an application process when you're watching this and it's just open right now, then you can just fast forward past the application process when I show you that on the screen, and then you can jump right into how to sign in to the platform. All right, so what I want you to do right now is strap on your seatbelt, okay? Make sure it's over top, kind of like a roller coaster, you know how you bring it over your head and strap in at your waist. We're gonna be going on a ride. This is a three-part series, like I mentioned. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share my screen right now. I'm gonna show you the application process, and then I'm also gonna show you how to sign into the platform. So stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome to my computer screen. Here you see 3speak.online, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get started with the application process and also how to sign into the platform. Now, if you're watching this at a later point after I record this video, then this platform could be open to the public, and if it is, you don't have to worry about an application process. Hopefully by the time you watch this video, the application process is either open or there's no application process at all, and the platform is just completely open to the public. So right now, if you go to the content creator application, what you're gonna see is just a screen with no form, and that's because it's closed. Right now, the platform is in beta, and they want to limit the amount of users that are going onto the platform. And you know, it could get overloaded if they just allowed every single person to get on this platform all at one time. It would just be too much to handle. So right now, they have the application process closed. But like I said, hopefully by the time that you see this video, it's either open application or the entire platform is open to the public. So one word of advice before you get started on 3Speak, it is a good idea to have a Steem account. So you can do that a couple different ways. The first way is to go to signup.steemit.com. Once you are here, you can either choose the sign up for free option, which takes 1 to 2 weeks to get approved. Normally it's a lot faster than that, within 1 to 2 days. If you want to pay to sign up, you can also do that as well. There's a bunch of different options here, such as block trades, Steem Wallet, and on Steem, Steem Connect, and Steem Ninja. So you can check those out at your leisure if you want to get started immediately. Usually the sign up process for free though, like I said, takes a day or 2 days to get approved. Then once you have a Steem account, then you also have access to all of the Steem-based apps that are available on the Steem blockchain, which is extremely exciting. I've been on the platform for over a year and a half, and I've had an incredible, fun time exploring all the different applications and interacting with the community. It's been an absolutely fantastic experience. So back to 3Speak. Once you have a Steem account and you are verified as a content creator on 3Speak, what you can do is you can sign in. So I'm going to click on the sign in button, And once I click this, it's going to give me a variety of options to sign in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose Login with Steem Connect. So once I do that, it's going to take me to a page where I can go to Steem Connect. Basically what Steem Connect does is it takes my Steem account and it connects it to applications that are built on top of the Steem blockchain, such as 3Speak. So right now it tells you, what is going to be authorized here on this page. You can click Continue. Now right here, I already have my account loaded into Steem Connect, but if you don't, it's just going to ask you for your username and for your password for the account. And once you have that, you'll be able to get in. But I already have it because I already logged into 3Speak in the past. So I'm going to click on my CoinGallant account. And I have no internet. Alrighty. Just going to wait until that comes back online. Okay, and now it's going to take me into 3Speak.online, where as you can see, I'm signed in as CoinGallant up here at the top. And this is the interface here, which I'm going to go into in part 2 of the video. But basically what I wanted to do in part 1 is show you the application. Like I said, hopefully there's not an application by the time you watch this video. And then also how to sign in. Now, definitely when you have a Steem account, you'll be able to post your videos on here. And when you do that, it's also going to connect to your Steem account and it's going to post it on your blog. So not only is your video going to go on the 3Speak platform, but it's also going to go on steemit.com, which is amazingly valuable because there is a huge community in Steem. And like I said, I've been in that community for over a year and a half, and it's been the best experience that I've had in my entire crypto journey. So I really, really appreciate the Steem community. And guys, this has been a tutorial here showing you the application and also how to log into the platform. Okay, great. I hope that was valuable to you, that you gained some valuable insight as to the application process and how to sign into 3Speak.online. So I'm really glad that you joined me in this screen share in this first part of the ultimate dApp walkthrough for 3Speak. So thank you again for joining me here today, and stay tuned for part 2 in the series where I'll be talking about the website, the ins and outs of how it works, the different pages that you can go to within the website so you can navigate it to the best of your ability so that you can use it and that it will add value to your life and also to the people around you as well who need to hear your voice. They need to hear what you have to say. So the 3Speak platform is here so that your voice can be heard. So again, appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next one.